Think about those things that maybe we don't think about all the time. A growing problem in our U.S. landfills is cell phones, computers, other electronics, the things that are harmful to our environment, but a lot of people just throw in the trash. You can't do that. So we're going to show you how to recycle some of those old gadgets. Clyde Killingbeck from MeTech Recycling is here to explain more about this. So first of all, Clyde, thank you for coming in.
Good morning.
Do you think the biggest problem is that people just don't know that they're not supposed to throw this kind of stuff in the trash?
Yes, I think a lot of the household recycling ends up in the trash, toasters and blenders, things like that. Anything that has a circuit board in it, little remote controls from the TVs or any of those remote controls, all those circuit boards like these little guys here have toxic stuff in them that harms the
landfills, yeah, and it's interesting you say remote controls because I wouldn't think twice about chucking one of those in the trash. And here you have a hard drive. This is what's inside most people's computer.
Right.
What happened here?
Well, most companies will shred the hard drives to protect the consumer's data on it. So recycling is not as much about protecting yourself as it is about protecting the environment.
Sure. And with circuit boards, do they pull the metals from the circuit boards to recycle those metals specifically?
There's actually a lot of the recyclers will shred their circuit boards and send them to a smelter. The smelter burns it all down and separates the palladium and the gold and all that.
Okay, so we know it's important to make sure we recycle them instead of just throwing them in the trash. How do we do that? I mean, is there a place we can drop them off? Because clearly we can't just put them in the recycle bin in our house, right?
Correct. If you're in the city and county of Denver, they have a program on their website. You can look at that, and there are a number of recyclers around the metro area that make it real easy. Some of them do household pickups, and some of them have drop-offs.
I've seen drop boxes at various stores as well, so I guess that's a way to do it too.
That's really popular for cell phones to do that because they're a small item.
And it makes a big difference.
It does make a big difference.
We got to think about that. As small as a remote, that's a good idea. Anything that might have a circuit board inside, we should probably recycle. Clyde, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great information and a poignant day, Earth Day, of course, to talk about this. So for more information from Clyde on where to recycle electronics, click on the Good Day page over at kdvr.com. I got to be honest with you, Greg, I've thrown a few remotes out, and now I feel bad about it.
Yeah, now I feel bad about tossing out like, my remotes and all sorts of other things like cell phone chargers, oh well. Well, here's a look at Horse 2.